we've been driving all night long, and what we're doing, we're bringing Nit Pick Jr.'s car back to Dallas, Texas. So we finally got done with it. It looks beautiful, it's awesome. The body came out pretty damn straight. And I left yesterday around 4 o'clock. Actually, it was 4:30 in the afternoon. And right now, what do we got here? What's going on? What the hell is this? Oh, okay. Just a little wax. It's alright. No problem. No problem. Okay. I want to make sure it looks really, really pristine for Nit Pick Norm and Son, due to the fact that they're probably going to pick it over and really, really nitpick it to the hilt. And we just don't want that. So we also got to make another stop. I don't know if anybody remembers, but we had our buddy, GTO Jason. He gave me these hoods to put in my shop, and I just don't have anywhere to put them. So what I'm going to do is I am going to give them back to him, and we're going to stop over there and see GTO Jason and check his projects out and see what he's up to. So I've been driving all night long, and I'm dog-ass tired. We're over here at the Love's truck stop. I'm about 10 miles from Amarillo, and we still got about 7.5 hours to go. So I got to get back on the road because, yeah, I'm going to be staying over at the old SWRNC prison ranch, or prison farm. Our buddy Les, Mr. Majestic, Mr. Mercedes guy, is going to let me stay over there in the office. He's basically using it as a storage unit. So we'll go ahead and stay there. While I'm here, I got to go to the dentist, okay? Now, I'm not going to go to the dentist for this one, but I got to go to the dentist. This tooth right here, okay, it's supposed to be a eye tooth. It's supposed to be an eye tooth, and they put a premolar crown on the tooth. Okay, I don't have time to go into it and explain to you about premolars versus eye teeth, but believe me, it's a joke is what it is. So they got to cut that off, put the right crown on it, and then I got to get another crown over here. And you can tell by my voice that I've been up all night long. I've been up all night long driving down the highway with this car. You know, let me ask you this question. Am I a delivery boy? Is that what I've become here? A delivery boy. That's what I am. Well, I'm sorry. Yeah. But we're going to get this car over there to Nit Pick's. It's been a real traveling show car situation. Every time I stop for gas, we get about 10 or 12 people that want to look it over and check it all out. I just want to get it there in one piece. So, I'm not going to be liable for it. That's the main thing. Hopefully, Nit Pick Norm Jr. actually has insurance on this thing. Because I don't know if my insurance covers it. I don't know. But, once again, we are now in Amarillo, Texas. We've been driving all night long. My voice is really shaky. Is that a sign of getting old? Am I getting old? That's the thing. More than likely, yes. Yes, I am getting old. got the Roadrunner done.
That baby is yellow.
And I would say, besides being yellow, it's full of static electricity. Can you show everybody what's going on here, please? Please show them. Look what's going on.
Well, we live in the desert,
Look.
Pete.
Okay, do you see that situation? You know, I don't know what I'm gonna do, okay? I really, really don't. Should I stay in business or should I just go ahead and close her down after these next 4 jobs? You know, what's your angle on that?
I say close it down.
I'm thinking I should just close her down and just work on my own shit. You know, go buy some muscle cars, fix them up, resell them.
Oh no, we're
That's
not
what I do.
doing
Yeah,
that.
that's
No.
That's exactly.
Absolutely. Not.
Okay, well that's
We
what we're
are
gonna
not
do.
doing
Okay,
that.
I would
We are
rather
not
do that.
doing
I would rather.
You are not a salesman.
You are not a car salesman. You are not a car salesman. You have
Okay.
never been good at it. You've never made money at it. We
Okay,
are not
I already
doing
know where some muscle cars are.
I don't care.
Okay,
We're not doing
I got 3 or 4
Forget it.
lined up.
You forget it. Forget
I
it.
got 3 or 4 lined up. We don't need to do this anymore. We can close the shop. I work on my own shit, and we go down the road.
Then you know what we'll have to do? You're
What?
going to have to put a wall. We're going to build a wall between the shop and the house.
Why is that?
And then you stay on your side, and I'll stay on my
Okay,
side.
so you get half the acre, and I get the other half.
I don't even care if it's a whole acre. I just want my
Sounds
half.
like a good deal to me. Shake on that. Okay. So I found some Volkswagen bugs.
We ain't buying and selling
Okay, we'll
buses.
see about that. Okay, we'll see. So we got the Roadrunner painted. It's painted. It's done, and it looks beautiful. It came out awesome. It's a mirror glass finish. I used my brand new spray guns on them. I bought one of those Supernova spray guns to do the clear. It cost me $800. If I close my shop, I wasted $800 because I can't use the fucking thing anymore. But you know, that's the situation you have, okay? That's the real situation and the real deal here. Our black stripe, it lined up, it looks nice, I like it. Glossy black, just like you wanted, okay? What else you want, you know? It's painted, it's done. Hold on.
I just had a light bulb moment.
What?
I know what you can do.
What can I do?
You can shut the shop down. You know what you can do?
What?
Since you like to video,
Yeah?
you can be a wedding videographer.
Yeah, people are gonna hire me to do weddings. Yeah, sure thing. Okay, they're gonna hire me. They're gonna look at me and say, I ain't hiring that drug addict. I ain't hiring that alcoholic. He just got out of prison. Look at him. So as of right now, this minute, right now, today, we got the Mustang, we got the Mercedes, we got the Camaro, we got an Etzel desk that we got to build. I forgot all about that. Okay, there's good money. There's top dollar money right there. Okay, there's top dollar money. I got that sold. It's going to be a desk. It's a done deal. And inside our so-called wannabe paint booth, we got a Mustang we got to finish. I think we got more than enough work to keep us busy to say, you know what, I'm almost at the age of retiring, and I don't need the bullshit. That's really the situation here. Okay, we got our neighbor coming over here. Let's see if he'll do a little angle with us and a little talk. See what's going on. Come on over here, Tom. How you doing today? I said, how you doing today? Did you see what's going on here? Is it yellow? I got my camera on, you mind? Is that okay with you? I mean, how y'all doing?
Yeah, I'm all right.
98% chimp?
Yeah.
Is that chump or chimp?
Chimp.
Okay, so we got our neighbor Tommy. I'm telling everybody I should close it down, just quit. I'm getting to that age, you know? I really don't need the hassle.
This is not going to be a nice car to drive. It's missing
Yeah, it's missing a lot of stuff,
a few
bud.
things.
You know, it's a Flintstone mobile right now, bro. It's headed back to Dallas. But what I'm trying to say, though, I'm telling everybody I should go ahead and just close it down and quit. What do you think, Tom?
It's gorgeous. Absolutely
We're
gorgeous.
talking about quitting, dude.
Quitting?
Closing it down and quitting. What do you think? You think I ought to go ahead and just retire early?
No, not
Yeah.
if you can do work like this. Then
Okay.
Look how many people will be disappointed.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fingerprints on it.
So the owner has to finish it out. But we did our part. You know what I'm saying, Tom?
Did you do the paint?
Yeah.
You did that
No,
paint?
Earl Shives did that.
Oh.
I took it. You know Earl Shives, right?
No.
You never heard of Earl Shives?
No.
What about Mako?
I don't know anything about this stuff. I just know
Okay.
it's a pretty car.
Okay, yeah. Well, there you go, buddy. What are you doing over here? What's going on at your place today? In the neighborhood?
Just unpacking tools.
Okay, I'll be over there in a minute. I need a piece of pipe.
Thanks for the warning.
Appreciate it. You take care, buddy. Okay, so that's our neighbor, Tom the hoarder. But, you know, that's his situation, not mine. I don't hoarder. But what I am going to do is possibly close down. I mean, you know, Tom wouldn't give us an answer. What that means, I don't know. He's probably telling us that it's none of his business. And whatever I want to do is my business. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete. Busting nuts, getting the job done. Getting the hell out of Dallas, got the hell out of Dallas, stuck in Moab, Utah, and thinking about closing her down. It's been an enjoyable, relaxing drive. We haven't really ran into any issues or problems. Now, I did run into problems in New Mexico. It seems that New Mexico, because, you know, we still got this going on, okay? We still got that going on. And it seems like New Mexico has a lockdown time. And when I say a lockdown time, they're closing everything at a certain time. And I think it's at 6 o'clock maybe 7 o'clock, because I rolled through there around 8 o'clock. Well, I actually got into New Mexico around 6:30, and everything is closed. Everything was, the only thing that was open was the gas pumps. You can get gas, but you can't go in the store, you can't buy anything, you can't go to any restaurants, you can't do nothing but get your gas and get down the highway. That's it. So I pulled into this gas station. It's basically the last stop, and it was in Albuquerque. There was a lady inside the store, and she was coming out and she said, do you need something? And I said, yeah, I'm starving. I haven't had nothing to eat since fucking like 9 o'clock this morning. There we go, that's better. Okay, so she says, all right, I'll tell you what, let me give you a candy bar. So she gave me a candy bar, and then by that time now there's 5 people that want to go inside, and one of them was a good friend of hers, I guess. And she said, okay, everybody come in with me. I'm going to sell you, but you can't leave until everybody's checked out, and then we all walk out together. So I go ahead and get some stuff. And, of course, I'm feeling rushed about the whole situation. I'm feeling like I'm rushed. And I go ahead and grab, there was a little kiosk thing, a little fucking stand, and it said buy one, get one free. So I go ahead and get this right here. And I asked her before I buy it, how much is that? It's $17.99, $18. Okay. So if I get to buy one, then I get one free. You know, I thought that was a pretty good deal. Well, let me tell you, this is the worst fucking bullshit jerky I've ever ate in my life. Okay? It's the bullshitest, worst fucking crap. I mean, I'm not even gonna eat it. I'm throwing it in the trash. Okay? I actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and keep it, and then I'm going to, on my way back home, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna get a refund, is what I'm gonna do. Okay? You know, sometimes these buy one, get one free actions aren't a good fucking deal. Well, it happened to be a bullshit deal, and believe me you, I'll be getting a refund on that.
Now's the time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell. Comment below, because if you don't, this redneck cocksucker's going to be inside your bed sheets tonight when you go to bed. And yeah, redneck situation. Click, subscribe, the bell, and do it for my friend Pete. Show your support, or the cocksucker's going to show his. Damn it.
But we're heading to Dallas, okay? We're going to Dallas. We're going to drop this car off. Mr. Majestic wants me to pick one of his cars up. Now, he's the guy that owns the Mercedes, and I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not picking it up. It's a 1970 Volkswagen convertible that I'm going to restore for him, but I'm not going to do it at this time, and I'm going to tell him that when I get your Mercedes done and I bring it to you, then I will pick it up. Okay, now there is one thing we are going to pick up while we're here, and that is the metal sheeting that goes inside my paint booth. I actually found out that it's cheaper to buy the mini rib panel, painted panel, and for my paint booth building than it is to actually buy OSB board. And we're talking about $500 cheaper. So I had to order that in Fort Worth, Texas. So this is a good situation. I'm bringing this car and then I'll pick that up. And yeah, anyway, enough rambling and gambling. I'm gonna get down the highway and we'll see you over at Nit Pick's place, possibly, maybe sooner if something arises. And there you go. That's the situation right now, today, and hopefully it's gonna get better. Okay, I was gonna go ahead and put the camera, get some B-roll action on the situation here, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because we're running into construction and also bumper-to-bumper traffic in Amarillo, Texas. So I better not do that. Okay, I gotta get over. Okay, so here we go, we're getting over. You can't see what's going on, but there's a lot of construction action right now, and it's not a pretty sight. Okay. All right, we gotta go. Take it easy. My friend Pete, your friend Pete, out in Amarillo, Texas. Okay, the construction's over.